welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. So today's video is going to be a quick, simple install using a closure wig. Now, big shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's wig video. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with a lace closure wig versus a lace frontal wig, basically the difference is a lace closure wig, which you see right here in this video, is going to require less work and less maintenance, and it also has less lace versus a frontal wig or a lace frontal wig. You definitely is working with a lot more lace. And for the most part, you are having to secure down lace from ear to ear pretty much, whereas a lace closure wig is probably like a 5x5 or a 6x6. You can definitely still achieve some of the looks that come with a lace frontal wig, but you are limited. Now, this particular wig did not come with a pre-plucked hairline, but I'm going to show you girls what to do with a wig that has not been plucked and how to make it look like it was a frontal install. So this type of lace closure install is definitely going to be a convenient install, and it's going to be super easy to do so where you don't have to have a lot of experience when it comes to installing a lace wig. So I definitely like to go in and pull out some of the hairs around the hairline. And this gives the illusion of like it being your own hair, or it giving like a lace frontal look, but without all the effort that comes with installing a lace frontal. So also when you pull out some of the hairs around the hairline, it also has the weft on the sides of the wig. So y'all did see me kind of struggling at the beginning with the baby hairs on this wig because I don't know, girl, I was just having a hard time. But anyways, when it comes to baby hairs, you just have to keep playing with it and not adding a bunch of product to begin with, just so that you have the ability to like remold and reshape your baby hairs if you're not really feeling how they are turning out. So I eventually got my baby hairs how I wanted it to be, and then I started slicking down like my edges and adding like the even hairspray to secure everything in place, and then I go in with some concealer to clean up the part. So now that I have the wig secure, I'm going to go in and start detangling and defining the curls. Now at the beginning you saw me kind of running my fingers through the hair because I did pluck this wig a little bit and I wanted to get the loose hairs out of the hair. So right now I'm going in with water and conditioner that has been mixed together in this spray bottle, and I am pretty much spraying it all over and going in with a paddle brush to define these juicy curls. conditioner. I then go in with some foaming lotion. Like, I like to use this wavy foaming lotion by Cantu. It's pretty good. I love how it defines my curls and waves even more than just hydrating the hair with water and conditioner. So this is pretty much the curls defined and wet. I'm going to let my hair dry and I'm going to show you girls what it look like. So this is what my hair looks like when it is completely dry. So what I like to do with my curly bobs is take my fingers and go in a circular motion at the scalp of my hair, or the scalp of the wig. It just basically adds volume to the roots of the hair, and that's just the look that I like to go for whenever I am doing like a curly bob. So one thing that I am noticing with this wig is the hair is not frizzing up at all, even though I'm running my fingers through the hair and trying to get it to shape to my liking. So I do love that about this wig, and I love that the curls are super soft and defined with very little effort and very little product. And this is pretty much going to be the final look to this wig. As you can see, the edges are pretty much laid and the lace blended perfectly fine. Now this is not like a HD or transparent lace, but it did just fine with this particular install, especially being a convenient 10 minutes max install. So this is definitely a wig that I would think is good for someone who, you know, wants something that's super convenient, cute, easy to install, and doesn't require a lot of time or skills to, you know, achieve a protective, cute hairstyle. So I'm going to leave HerGivenHair information below and more details on this wig below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you girls later.